Good morning, respected teachers and my dear friends. I, Prananya, would like to share you a story of first Indian woman astronaut. Once upon a time, in a faraway land called America, there lived a brave and smart girl named Sunita Williams. She loved reading books, running, and looking at the stars in the sky. From the time she was small, Sunita dreamed of flying in a rocket and going to space. She did hard in school, listened to her teacher, and never gave up on her dream. As she grew up, Sunita became a pilot, later an astronaut. One day, her dream came true. She wore a big spacesuit, sat inside a rocket, and zoomed up into the space. Whoosh! She flew far above the clouds and into the space. In the space, Sunita did many amazing things. She floated like a feather because there were no gravity. She was like a real space explorer. Sunita stayed in space for many months. She saw Earth full of blue oceans and green land. It looked like a beautiful ball. When she came back, people clapped and cheered for her. Sunita showed everyone that if you work hard, believe in yourself, and never give up, you can do anything, even touch the sun. Moral of the story: believe in yourself, work hard, just like Sunita Williams.